So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find stocks to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once you open up Seeking Alpha, what I want you to do is to actually open up this sidebar right here. So if the screen looks like this, I want you to go to the top left and press on the arrow. Where it says home right here, below that it says stock analysis, then go ahead and press on stock ideas. Now, once you're on the stock ideas page, it can actually show you a whole bunch of different stock ideas for you to potentially invest in. So if you go to the left hand side, there's analysis here. So if this is checked, it means that the all analysis. But if you're looking for specific, AI tech stocks, for instance, you can go ahead and press on that, or you can go ahead and kind of change this to whatever you're looking for in regards to the stock, I guess, genre of choice. So this is AI tech, this is bonds. Maybe you want to go cryptocurrency. Maybe you want to go energy stocks, whatever the case may be. Some of the latest analysis right here. You can go ahead and check on this if you want. View a whole bunch of different articles regarding different ticker symbols and different companies and their opinion on the matter. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find stocks to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.